So I like to wake with the sun. It helps keep me in check, it helps keep me connected to nature and the seasons, and not only what's going on inside me, it helps me align that with what's going on outside. Make sure I also take a little bit of time upon checking in, rather than rushing into the day, is have a cup of cacao, and that usually really just sets me up. Get my heart rate up, do a bit of a workout, love strength training. Keep everything optimal. I teach people how to breathe in all ways, shapes, forms. Through the vehicle of breathing or breath work, we help people just find a little bit more alignment in their life, let go of things that are holding them back, and just help them physically excel and not only restore to a natural balance in life, but also push through and persevere and reach the next level for them. We create experiences using different physical challenges and mental exploration. So whether it's climbing the highest mountains of the country, whether it's exploring like the bottom of the ocean, it's incredible to bring together groups of people to do something that is unique, that is exciting. It draws the best people out, but it also draws the best out of people. For me, the cacao is actually just instrumental. It always is the glue that brings people together, and it does a lot of the work for me in these kind of situations. I always joke when people are just giving me like excessive like comments and compliments on the work that we've been doing and how quick we are connected, and you know how lovely it's been and how amazing it's been to see these transformations. I'm like, yeah, it was just the cacao. At the end of the weekend, it was like, yeah, it was just because you guys had that hot chocolate. People love it, I love it, and like I said, it supports the work I do fully. I've tried many different brands and sources of ceremonial cacao. I've been to Peru myself. But a lot of the time when you buy it at a little market stall and there's no connection between who made this and where does it come from. So just trying different brands and finding that they've been reheated, they've been exposed to light, they've been exposed to oxygen. You know, the integrity that Keith's cacao has is that he created this amazing cacao. Like, forest has grown there and the village is involved, and he's still involved with every single block and the process behind it, and he knows his stuff. He knows what he's talking about, and so it ensures like a really good quality product in the end, and you know that each bar you get is the same. Like, I get 100 bars at a time and they are identical. Yeah, I've just found nothing that actually gives me that buzz and actually keeps me coming back.
Everybody needs this experience.
No, I fully support Keith's mission and what he stands for and the energy that he brings into it. You can just tell that like, it's the best of the best in terms of the intention that goes into the work and into the craftsmanship of actually making the cacao. And I don't recommend something that I don't use and that I don't actually live and breathe. And this has really worked for me, so I continue to recommend people to give it a try.